Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you how Ventoy works. So Ventoy, obviously just go and download Ventoy. Let's go one back. Yeah, so just go to ventoy.net. Then for Windows, just choose the download file that you want to use, zip or ISO even. And then it will send you the source forge. Obviously, I don't like going to these sites, but that's the only way to download it. And then once downloaded, the zip file, you just extract the zip file, extract it, and then Ventoy, go into the folder, plug in your USB stick, and then just run this Ventoy to disk exe. Just say yes, yes, whatever, and then it will install to that disk. Here's mine. So there will be nothing on there, but if you go to, what is it now, partition, if you go to the disk partitioning, it will have that little area there that will, when you boot it up, this will be the files that run, or the little environment. And here's your disk where you're gonna copy all your ISOs to. So all you have to do is select your ISOs. So I'm gonna select that one in Linux Mint. Yo, that's gonna copy a long time. Maybe that one too, because the other ones might be broken. So just copy these files to your disk. Okay, my disk is too small. It's too small. So hopefully these two will copy. Oh, are they that big? Come on, let's go. Paste. Okay, my disk is way too small. It just copy this one. Crying out loud. Right. Well, fucking gig. Okay, so we're gonna start the virtual machine now with booting with the USB. So normally, if you're not gonna use a virtual machine, just a normal computer, pop your stick in. You might have to go into the BIOS and boot. choose your boot order. So USB first. In my case, I have to click on VM removable device as it's booting up. So I just so this Windows 10 micro win. So this is my virtual drive, and the ISO that we've copied is on the drive. On the USB. Let me just see quickly. So there's my Win 10 micro win. So we're gonna boot, and then as quickly as possible I'm gonna connect the Kingston. I'm too slow. Anyway, it doesn't matter, you can connect it and it will still grab it. So let's go full screen. Alright, there it actually goes in. It might go through BIOS automatically and ask you to choose the boot device. So just choose USB. So that's the file that we've copied. Obviously, if you copy more ISO files to your USB drive, it will be listed here underneath each other. But my USB is too small for all the ISOs. Yeah, and now we can just press enter. Boot in normal mode, yes. Let's see if it goes in. Press that, yes, to boot it. Looking good. There it goes. So obviously didn't ask me anything because this is unattended install. So yes, boot from your flash drive in VMware. I've tried it in VirtualBox, but it did not work, and I don't think it's possible. So yeah, good.